18. She's an 18. White lips, pale face, breathing in snowflakes, her long sour taste. Lights gone, days in, struggling to pay my rent. Long nights, strange men. And they say she's in class 18, stuck in her daydream. Been this way since 18, but lately her face seems slowly sick and wasted, crumbling like pastries. And they scream the worst things in life come free to us, 'cause she's just under the upper hand. Goes mad for a couple of grams. She don't wanna go outside tonight. In a pipe she flies to the motherland, sells love to another man, and used to be cold outside for angels to fly. Bro, scroll it, crackhead. Scroll it, crackhead.
Oh, fuck, I'm sorry. That's Candy Crushing.
The Candy Crush crack had her. What was your job? The only job you had to do was to reach over there with 2 fingers and act like I am just a fool for showing you how to do it. And what are you doing?
Candy Crushing.
Candy Crush. It is like crack.